Hello students. Now today we are going to start our past continuous tense. But before we start, let's see some examples. Children were playing by 9 p.m. yesterday. Just see these sentences very carefully. While I was sleeping, they left the house. My friends were watching TV when the fire started. When we see all these examples, what we all people observe? If I'm not wrong, then we people exactly observe that the action, the work was continued in past at a point of time. Means this that when you called me, when you saw me, or when you were talking to me, I was in the middle of something. I was doing something. It means that particular action was going on in the past. And past continuous describes the same thing. If you see the figure, the person is standing and he is telling about himself. Right now he is standing in front of you and now he is telling in the past that I was watching TV at 10 p.m. yesterday. It means when you called him, when you saw him at 10 o'clock, then he was watching TV. So it means past continuous. This tense describes an event of duration in the past. It talks about what we were doing at a particular time in the past. Or we can say that we use past continuous to say that somebody was in the middle of doing something at a certain time. We can see that example that this time yesterday the hairdresser was working. Now see the rules of affirmative sentences. First, we have to use subject, then helping verb was or were, and then V1 plus ing. If we see the example, the subject means she, and because the subject is singular, then we have to use helping verb was and studying, and ing with action, with verb. So it means the complete sentence will be she was studying. If the subject is plural, then subject you, they, we, and then helping verb were and verb plus ing. Example like they were playing. It means when you saw them, when you called them, so they were in the middle of action. It means that time they were playing. Let's see some more examples. Like I was watching TV. It means the person wants to say that the time you came at my home yesterday or any day, I was watching TV. It means the work was continued in past. He was driving my car. It means when you called, so he was in the middle of the work and he was driving car. Now let's see negative sentences. If we talk about negative sentences, then the rule is subject can be I, she, he, it. Helping verb was, then not plus verb ing. Example like she was not studying. If the subject is plural, then you, they, we, anything, or like subject can be helping verb were, not, and verb plus ing. So now that example can be they were not playing. Let's see some more example. He was not sitting silent. It means here you are telling about somebody in the past that when you were talking something very important, he was not sitting silent. It means he was in the middle of something. They were not watering the plants. It means when you reached to the garden, you saw that they were not watering the plants. It means it may be that you asked them to water the plants, but when you went to see, that time they were not watering the plants. My father was not sleeping. It means when you came my home, that time my father was not sleeping. Let's now see interrogative sentences. If we talk about the interrogative sentences, then first we have to use helping verb. That can be was or were, then subject, then verb plus ing. If we see the example, that was she studying, and at last question mark, and this is mandatory. If the subject is plural, then were, you, verb ing. Were they playing, and at last question mark. Let's see some more examples. Were the kids plucking the flowers? Question mark. It means in that question you are asking, was your brother taking bath? It means when you are asking somebody that was your brother in the middle of this action, when you called or when you came at his home. So especially this past continuous is asked that were you in the middle of something? It means the work was going on that time. Now, if we talk about second type of interrogative sentences. So for the second type of interrogative sentences, we have to use WH question words. That is what, how, why, when, where, who. These are the question words. And as we all know that where we have to use them, we have to use all these WH words before helping verb. Now you can see the rule. First WH word, then helping verb was or were, then subject, verb plus ing, and then object, and at last question mark. WH word can be where, were, subject you, verb ing, going yesterday. So the complete sentence will be where were you going yesterday, and at last question mark. So this is the complete rules of past indefinite. Now if you see this picture, so here the two people, Mike and Lucy, they are doing different works, and you can see that what were Mike and Lucy doing yesterday. So times like are given here at 8 o'clock, at 10 o'clock, at 3 o'clock, and at 9 o'clock. So just make these sentences, and after this go through the video once more, then like the tense will be cleared to all of you people. Thank you. Have a nice time.